So, from November 1st to the 2nd, Dia de los Muertos, better known as Day of the Dead, celebrates loved ones who have passed on, and with any party, food and drink plays a major role, and that's where Mexican chef Paula Zavala comes in. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did I say that right?
Dia de los Muertos. Very, very close name.
Dia de los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos.
Okay.
Day of the Dead. So today in Mexico, this is a really big celebration. It's a very joyful celebration. It's not about being sad, but it's a respectful, happy, colorful celebration where we really remember those who have passed, and we love to cook what they like to cook, and we also like to drink their favorite drinks. So today we're gonna make a delicious shrimp taco, and we're gonna pair this with a Dos Equis cerveza because both authentic Mexican.
Awesome.
So this is such a great dish, and it's super
smell
Look
off
at
of that,
us.
right? Yeah.
To me, this already smells like Mexico. That's it.
Okay.
This is Mexico. So on a frying pan, and please everybody, this recipe is a keeper.
Okay.
On a frying pan, we're gonna put some diced onions, some diced tomatoes, a little bit of garlic, until this is all very soft. And we wanna build the flavor from here. So we're gonna start seasoning with a little bit of salt, black pepper. I'm gonna put some thyme. People think that in Mexico we only cook with cumin. No, not really, no. We do a lot of dried oregano. And then we're just gonna saute all of this until this has a really great color. And guess what? Then after this, we're gonna blend it. And of course,
Magic of television, you already did it?
Exactly,
Amazing.
you see?
Awesome, Paula.
I love working on television because this is ready. So all these you blend it, and you get this beautiful red, rich sauce.
So
but this is gonna get a little bit better. We're gonna add a little bit of 35% cream, just like this, to make it a creamy, delicious sauce. And you know what makes it also very special? That we add a little bit of chipotle peppers. So chipotle pepper is a very common ingredient that we use in Mexico.
I asked in the break, is it spicy? And what did you say to me?
Don't never ask a Mexican person if this is spicy, because we're always gonna say, it's not spicy at all.
When it is spicy. But I like a little spice, right?
But that's why
the chipotle is gonna give it a little kick, but you want a little kick.
Totally, but
right?
you know what? Spicy food, what do you need? You need a cerveza next to it. So you need a Dos Equis with the spicy. It's just a perfect pair. Okay, so now we're gonna add some shrimp. This is raw shrimp, but you know what? Shrimp cooks really fast. You know shrimp is ready when it changes its
that
color. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of heat here. Turn it up a little bit.
How do you know what to cook? Are you cooking recipes of your loved ones that they loved? Is that how you determine the recipe?
That's exactly how it is. And yeah, you get together. It's a beautiful celebration. So outside the big cities, people, they actually go to the cemeteries and they spend the night. They put the music that the loved one liked. And you might think it's very sad and people will be crying. It's not really. It's just a respectful, joyful way of saying, I love you, I'm here. And some people say that the loved ones, their spirit come back that night to visit you back while you are eating and drinking what they liked.
I have little kids, so we've seen Coco a few times. So that's how I kind of know the Day of the Dead. Because it's all about, because they don't want to be forgotten. That's what it's all about. Remember those loved ones in your life.
That's right, exactly.
Okay. So those are coming along.
Yeah, the shrimp is getting ready. We're gonna crank this up a little bit so you can see they are turning a little pink. Let's just give it a minute.
Okay, do you like cooking, do you like fish tacos or shrimp tacos better than meat tacos?
Well, yeah, I love, you know what, my family is from near the ocean, the Pacific, so yes, I do. Okay. I do love seafood, but if you don't like seafood, you can always cook a little bit of chicken on the side and then just add the chicken to this delicious, creamy, spicy chipotle sauce, and it's gonna be a hit.
Amazing.
Now, over here, I know this is really hot, but it's fine. Perfect. So over here, we're gonna put a tortilla. It must be a corn tortilla. Previously warmed up, so you put a corn tortilla. I know. Corn tortillas are gluten-free, so perfect. All right, so that's it. I can see my shrimp is cooked. You see how it's now pink? Change the color. So you're gonna add some shrimp in here, right there. And then to make this even better, you're gonna put a little bit of chili oil sauce. Ooh. I know, look at this. This is a chili oil sauce that I make. You can check my Instagram, Paula Zavala Chef. And then we're gonna add some lime juice. Oh my, anything with lime is better in Mexico. And then, of course, anywhere in the world, but lime, you must. A little bit of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, because I know some people love it, is it one of those things that you either
you love it, and I'm down with it.
That's
so then,
it.
Is this edible?
That's it.
Can I eat this?
100% edible.
Do we say Happy Day of the Dead, or we just say
Feliz Dia de los Muertos?
Feliz Dia Day of the Dead.
Muertos.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
More Morning Live tomorrow. I'll see ya.
Gracias. How is it?